Hey everyone, Kristen here. Long time no see. So, in case you've been living underneath a rock, uh, a lot has changed in the education field in the past couple of months. In March, our school district, like so many others, closed down. We were scrambling to try to figure out how to do e learning. The summer happened, COVID hit a spike. My school district was going to be in person with masks, and then, kind of at the last minute, decided that we were going to do virtual education. So it has been a wild ride, and that is why there have been no videos on this YouTube channel for so long because we have just been trying to figure stuff out. Now, with all that said, this is not the normal quality or the normal type of video that I usually do, but I've been learning with the COVID and epidemic and everything that sometimes it's better to just get the information out there, even if the production value is not that high. So, this is literally just me recording on my computer. I know that teachers out there are desperate to figure out how are we doing digital education because it's never been done before. So, I kind of wanted to give a quick, very broad overview of kind of how I set up my digital classroom basically. And once I show this to you, if you have specific questions, I can make additional videos about the specifics of each step. I'm basically just trying to figure out what are people interested in hearing about, or what are teachers interested in hearing about right now during this crazy time. Is behavior management as important, or are we just trying to scramble to figure out how to do digital education? So any questions that you have, just comment below and I will use those to make future videos. So I wanted to kind of outline the framework of how we are working. My district has Canvas. I know a lot of districts are doing Canvas, and that's kind of like our hub where we store all the lessons and the videos and everything. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to record in advance all of my lessons. We are doing a morning Zoom time where it's live, but all the rest of the videos are recorded ahead of time just for the parents who have to work during the day. And so what I have done is I have uploaded those videos onto YouTube. And then what I'm going to do, if you can follow this, I'm making a slide for each day, for each subject, a Google slide. I am embedding the video and then putting the assignments on that Google slide and putting those slides in a different page each day on Canvas. Like, whew, that was a lot. And I know I'm flying through it, but I just kind of want to see what you all think of this plan. So if you can envision like a home page, like on a website, each day, like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, has a button, and then the students click on that button, and then a page full of Google Slides show up. So they just have to watch the videos. And so I'm just going to kind of show you how I prep all of that, because I'll be honest, I'm still kind of figuring it out right now. So let me show you kind of how I've organized everything. Okay, let me back it up. So my school district plans in cycles. So far I have week 1 of school, week 2 of school, week 3 of school. Okay. From there, I've broken it up into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. I hope that makes sense so far. In terms of my planning what lessons need to be taught each day, I've made what I've called an overview, where each day I say what I want to teach, and I just do a little blip about what the lesson is about. Okay, so here's my read aloud. I do a letter review phonics, okay, for reading. For writing, on Monday, week 1, my first lesson is 3 ways to tell a story, and then my assignments are right here. I'll get to that in a second. For math, we do calendar, counting to 120, and then how to do IXL. I will get to that later as well. So I know what videos I have to record. So I recorded them all in one day, like the whole week in one day. And then I batch uploaded them to YouTube. So if you need lessons, I'm going to be uploading my whole year's worth of lessons onto YouTube on the playlist marked first grade lessons. So I get the links off of all of these. And so now we're back in here. So let's say Monday. Monday, I have 3 slides. I have reading, math, and writing. So let's take a look at what each slide looks like. So for reading, student gets there, The first page is the reading lessons. So the first page is always the lessons. They're just videos. So they'll watch me do the read aloud, and then they'll watch the phonics lesson. Slide 2 has all of their assignments. Now, I don't want to get into this too much on this video, but the main apps that our school district is using is Seesaw, which, by the way, that would be my biggest recommendation. If you are lost, Seesaw, Seesaw, Seesaw. You can put all of your worksheets onto it. You can make them digital, and it's free. So do Seesaw, okay? So here I say that the assignment is in Seesaw. I go to the assignment name, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, alphabet order. So they just log onto their account and their assignment will just be preloaded into that. I am not getting into how to do this in this video, but if you're interested in learning about that, tell me about it and I will make a video about that, okay? So each day looks like that. So when they click on the Monday page, they're gonna have 3 slides to work through and 3 lessons. So I hope that makes sense. So I'm gonna kind of show you how to set up one of these slides really, really quick. So I'm going to go into Tuesday. So I just have these blank templates. They have nothing on them, basically. I just have like a placeholder. That's an old lesson. Like that. And my phone is going off. Cool. Well, that's how we're doing it these days, I guess. It's just not going to be perfect. So I'll title this Math. So I go to my overview, Math on Tuesday. I need a calendar video, my number chart video, and my counting by 5. So I come over here to YouTube. Now, I don't have my calendar videos done, just so you know. So, good gracious. Okay, count by 5. So there's one of them. So I get my shareable link, come up here, insert video by URL. There's my link. Oh, and there's my lovely face. Okay. I just embed it. And then I just call this count by 5s. Perfect. And then I would continue to do that with the other videos that I need, but I'm not going to bore you with that right now. Their assignment is on an app called iExcel. I have all these kind of loaded in my template already, so I'm just going to get rid of all this extra stuff. The first week of school, we're only doing 1 assignment per subject. So their assignment is iExcel. I'm going to do a text box on this little note card that says iExcel so that they know the name. This is not pretty or cute. It's just getting the job done. And then for text, I'm going to say the name of the assignment. So I'll say assignment and then put the name of the text. And then I would just like rinse and repeat for all of these days until I have math, reading, and writing, and then Tuesday is complete. And then I would do the same for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And that's how I'm prepping. It is a Friday on the day that I'm recording this. And so my goal for today is to get all of next week prepped. So on Monday, I can start for the following week. So I know that's a lot. So I want to know what questions you have and if you think this is a good system, if it's helpful. Maybe it just makes sense in my brain. I don't know. But anyway, I would love to hear teachers what you need and what videos I can do to help, because I've kind of got a system so far. It took a while to come up with, but I've got it now. It's not cute, but it gets the job done. I'm not so interested in cute right now, obviously. Anyway, comment below what questions you have, and I will start making more videos to help with whatever subjects you need help with. Until then, see you next week.